Want to mirror your computer or student devices on your ActivPanel? You can use the ActivCast app on the ActivConnect OPS-G. The devices you want to mirror will also need the ActivCast app. Please see Article 1532 on our support portal to find out how to download it. macOS and iOS users do not need to install ActivCast and can use AirPlay to mirror their screens. If your network has a proxy, please see Article 1518 for instructions on how to enter your proxy settings. If your network has a firewall, it may be necessary to set ActivCast as a trusted application. Please see the Network Considerations section of Article 1539 for which ports to open and whitelist. To get started with ActivCast, open the app on the home screen. You will need to accept the license agreement, so swipe to the left to accept. Once you have accepted, you will see a screen with 3 panes. The first pane on the left will show devices that are currently connected, as well as helpful information about mirroring. The middle pane contains a QR code and a connection ID, which are other methods for mirroring. The pane on the right displays the name of the ActivCast receiver, which is your ActivConnect OPS-G. The name can be changed to something familiar to help your users find it easier. Also in this pane are the IP addresses of any networks you are connected to and a button to generate a PIN code. You may use this for a more secure pairing. Now, on your devices, open the ActivCast app. A list of available ActivCast receivers should populate. Choose the one you wish to use. If you are unsure, compare the name to the one listed in the pane on the right. At the bottom of the ActivPanel, a prompt for your device wanting to be mirrored will display. You may allow or deny requests from devices to mirror. It will begin mirroring once you tap Allow on the ActivPanel. Once the devices are connected, they can be managed in a few ways on the mirroring status screen. When mirroring multiple devices, they will be sized to fit on the screen together. Double tapping on the ActivPanel on top of one of the devices will bring it into full screen. Double tapping again will return it to its original size. In Mirror View, there are 2 icons in the right and left corner of the screen. The one that looks like an eye will identify the name of the devices. The one that looks like a door will return to the mirroring status screen without disconnecting the devices. If you want to see the mirrored devices again, press the Mirror View button. To disconnect a device, swipe up from the bottom in Mirror View or click the X on the device on the mirroring status screen. Checking Automatically Replace Swiped Screens will always replace the disconnected device with another mirrored device instead of returning to the mirroring status screen. For more information about ActivCast and the ActivConnect OPS-G, please visit our support portal. Thank you for watching.